Welcome back to another exciting senior consumer math video. This is section 9.5, operating and maintaining a vehicle. Now, a lot of people, when they're looking at the cost of a vehicle, are just strictly looking at how much it costs to buy it. But you've also got to remember there's some other costs that go into it. And these costs are variable, fixed, and depreciation. Now, your variable costs are ones that increase as your number of miles increase. So the examples would be like gasoline, getting your oil changed, getting your filters changed, maybe buying new tires, and then any repairs you need that are just kind of part of the wear and tear of driving. Now, there's some other ones that are fixed costs, and these remain the same regardless of the miles driven. These are going to be your annual insurance premiums, your tags and title fees, and then again, some depreciation. Now, what is depreciation? Well, depreciation is the decrease in the value of your vehicle. And it decreases based on age and condition of the car. So as the car gets older, as the car gets maybe a little more beat up, it's going to depreciate more and it's going to be worth less. Now, to calculate the depreciation, we do the purchase price minus what it's worth today divided by the number of years that you've owned it. And that'll tell you how much it's depreciating each year. Now, we can also use cost per mile to compare the cost of driving various vehicles. Now, one car might be more expensive in the beginning, but it has a lower cost per mile, which means as you own it longer, it ends up being cheaper. So something to think about. Now, to find the cost per mile, it's your annual variable cost plus your annual fixed cost. We'll find that first, and then we'll divide by the number of miles. So let's take a look at some problems involving these formulas. So we've got Chantel. And Chantel purchased a coupe for this price 2 years ago. This is its current price. So we can find the depreciation by doing the purchase price, which we highlighted in purple, today's price, which we highlighted in red, and then dividing that by how many years she's owned it, which we highlighted in blue. So, to find it, I'm going to go 24,590 minus 19,219. Whatever that equals, I'm then going to divide by 2. And that'll give me the depreciation. So 24,590 minus 19,219. So it's depreciated $5,371. But that's in 2 years. So now I need to divide by that 2 years. Purchase price, today's price, divided by the number of years, which is 2. So the depreciation is $26,085.50. And we can just put that over here. 2685.50. Now, to calculate the total variable cost, we're just going to add all of these green numbers together. So we're going to add, oh goodness, I can't spell today. Add all green. So we've got $1,576.24 plus $71.85 plus $154.36 plus $322.65. So that's going to be $21,025.10. Now if we want to find the fixed cost, we're going to add all of the red together. And it looks like I might have put depreciation in the wrong spot, so we're just going to draw an arrow to say just flip-flop these. Whatever. 985 plus 125, 63, plus 380, 30, plus $2,685.50. So this is going to be $41,076.43. Now, if we want to find the cost per mile, it's our variable cost, which we found by adding all of the green together, plus our annual fixed, which we found by adding all of the red together. And then we're going to divide that by the number of miles, which is 14,322. So I go $2,125.50 plus $4,176.43. I'm going to do that first. 2125.50 plus 4176.43. So that's going to be $6,301.93. Then I'm going to divide that. Then I'm going to divide. Not first. Don't divide first. Add and then divide. Okay. So we've divided. We've added everything together. We can now find the cost per mileage, which is going to be 0.44. All right. So there we go. That's cost per mile. I'm just going to check some numbers real quick, make sure we did it all correctly. Looks pretty good so far. Always a good idea to check your answers, make sure you didn't make any mistakes. All right, looks good. Looks like we made the correct thing, 44 cents per mile. Let's just look at one more. I'll kind of speed this one up a little bit. So 1425 minus 6897 3 years ago. 11425 minus 6897. Do that first, then divide by 3. 1509.33. And then we're kind of just add all of these expenses to it. So 2524.90, 145.21, 65.45, 981.33, 1546.00, 114.95, and 457.88. Now, I can actually add this faster than I can type it in, so I'm just going to add 1, 4, 9, 12, 17, 25, carry the 2, 5, 14, 16, 20, 23, 32, 40, 13, 17, 22, 27, 28, 34, 38, 45, 4, 6, 10, 16, 24, 28, 29, 34, 8, 13, 14, 23, 28, 29, 33, 3, 4, 6, 7. So that's our total annual cost. So in case you just were wondering, Here's the depreciation. Here's our annual cost. And then our cost per mile, we're going to divide by the mileage to find our cost per mile. So divide by 19,214. So check my work. But like I said, I think I did this correctly. And I might have lied. I might be able to actually type it faster than I'm able to add. All right, good job. And now I'm just going to divide those two numbers. And it looks like the cost is going to be 38 cents per mile. So that, again, is maintaining a vehicle and operating it. Don't forget about those other costs besides just buying the car. So make sure you do the homework, and I'll see you next time.